Hey everyone, welcome back to another upbeat traveler video. Today, we're diving into one of Sydney's most iconic spots, Manly. Known for its stunning beaches, views, vibrant atmosphere, and rich history, Manly is a must-visit destination for locals and tourists alike. As you arrive at Manly Wharf, you're immediately struck by the lively atmosphere. The wharf is a hub of activity, with cafes, restaurants, and shops lining the waterfront. Welcome to Manly Corso, a hidden gem tucked away in the heart of Manly. This charming pedestrian street is filled with local delights and surprises. As you step onto the Corso, you're transported into a world of unique boutiques, cozy cafes, and a relaxed atmosphere that captures the essence of Manly's laid-back vibe. Let's take a stroll and see what treasures we can find. One of the things I love most about the Corso is its relaxed atmosphere. It's the perfect place to unwind and soak in the local charm. Throughout the year, the Corso hosts various events and live music performances, adding to its vibrant community spirit. The Play Manly Festival, held in April each year, is a free 10-day festival aimed at attracting visitors from across Sydney to come back to Manly. The free event brings the Manly CBD to life as a joyful playground of sensory and interactive experiences via light, art, music, food, games and stories. Included in the fun are light installations, interactive projections and illuminations, hidden gardens, unexpected sound activations, a beachside outdoor cinema screening short films, interactive history and storytelling displays, murals and interactive displays. There are street games for kids of all ages, from life-size Scrabble to mazes, live music and loads of food. Welcome to Manly Beach, Sydney's iconic playground where sun, surf, and relaxation converge. Known for its consistent waves and vibrant surfing culture, Manly Beach attracts surfers from around the globe. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time rider, these waters offer something for everyone. Beyond surfing, Manly offers a plethora of activities for all ages. From beach volleyball to snorkeling around the stunning Cabbage Tree Bay, there's no shortage of ways to have fun in the sun. Manly Beachfront. From its vibrant promenade to its stunning views, this place has it all. The Manly Beachfront isn't just about the sand and surf, it's a lively hub filled with cafes serving up fresh brews and delicious bites. Grab a coffee, take a seat, and soak in the buzzing atmosphere. Surfing is a way of life here. Whether you're catching your first wave or a seasoned pro, Manly's consistent swells and friendly vibe make it a surfer's paradise. Beyond surfing, there's a whole playground of water activities to explore. From paddle boarding to snorkeling in the nearby marine reserve, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Dive into the local flavors with fresh seafood straight from the ocean to your plate. Whether you're craving fish and chips or a gourmet meal, Manly's eateries won't disappoint. As the day winds down, find a spot to witness the magic of a Manly beachfront sunset. It's a sight that will leave you in awe and longing for more. Whether you're here for the waves, the food, or simply to unwind, Manly Beachfront promises an unforgettable experience. After a day in the surf, take a stroll down the Corso, Manly's bustling heart. Indulge in local cuisine at one of the many cafes, or browse through unique shops and galleries showcasing local artists. For those seeking tranquility, a short walk leads to Shelley Beach or a hike up North Head for breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean and Sydney skyline. Manly's more than just a beach. It's a lifestyle. The community vibe here is like no other. You're always welcomed with a smile, whether you're catching a wave or enjoying a coffee. As the sun sets on another perfect day at Manly, one thing's for sure, the memories made here will last a lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? Come experience the magic of Manly Beach for yourself. Plan your trip today and discover why Manly Beach is Sydney's ultimate coastal gem.
Thank you for watching this Upbeat Traveler YouTube video. If you liked this video, please click the like button and we would love it if you would subscribe. We post content every week, so click on the bell button if you want to be notified when videos are published. Thank you again, we hope to see you next time. Bye for now.